everyone, my name is Catherine from Everlace Design Co. And today I will be showing you how I made this watercolor card with gold foiling on vellum. I have a free download of this card for you to print at home and maybe give it to your mama. So you can find the link in the description below. I hope you find this relaxing and it will inspire you to create. So let's get started. To make a rose, I start with 2 C curves in the middle and gradually add pressure as you go around the circle to make the petals bigger. If you are familiar with modern calligraphy, it is a similar technique as the compound curve, or we call it squiggles in my workshop, where you alternate pressure between up and down strokes. I have a clip here to show you. So when you go up, you glide the nib up with no pressure. And then you gradually add pressure when you go down, and before you reach the bottom you want to go up and release the pressure and then glide the nib up. I hope that makes sense. Now see if you can see that squiggle technique being applied here when I draw the petals. To make leaves, it is the same technique as the squiggles, except instead of making circles, you make 2 parallel lines. If you're feeling fancy, you can curve it at the end, but this is how you draw watercolor leaves. So I didn't film the rest of the painting because I didn't like how it's looking. The leaves were too bold and I wasn't happy with the composition, but after that I played around with it by adding brighter colors to the roses and throwing some details to the leaves, and when I posted a sneak peek on my Instagram story, people actually liked it. So thank you for the confidence boost, you guys. You made this video happen. Now moving on to hot foiling. Thank you for your vote on my Instagram story. We went with gold, and honestly we can go with either of them and it will look good because foil things are just so pretty. So hot foiling has been getting a lot of attention lately. My foiling videos went viral on Instagram and people are asking me to do a class on it, so I'm working on that right now. I also have a blog post about the foiling supplies I use on my website, so I will link it in the description if you want to know more. After the foiling is done, I align the vellum on top of my painting and punch holes in the top left corner with my handy crocodile, I love me some puns, and stick this tiny brad here to lock them in place. And the card is done. I really like how the vellum gives a soft and elegant vibe to the card, and it swivels up and down, so it makes it fun to interact with. Alright, if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on Instagram for more fun stuff, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!